Hi, I'd like to show you how to complete billing using the SimpleIsUs system. If you've been following the tutorials, you know we've been working on Johnny Appleseed. And we've been doing daily session notes for him, monthly progress notes, and now billing. So from billing, you will visit billing. The screen populates and you're going to select the time period in which you want to do billing. It's my recommendation that you do billing every week. And so since this is a tutorial and I've done billing over the course of a month for Johnny Appleseed, we'll select the whole month of April. Sorry, the whole month of April. So what you'll see is the ability to select either Part C, Medicaid, or both. I like to pull in billing for both. And you see here Johnny Appleseed is in the client list of available to bill. You can either select a specific child or you can bill all. I typically bill all because when it moves to the next screen and you go to Batch Manager, select Batch Manager, you'll see that claims are separated into Medicaid claims and Part C claims. So here we are. Johnny Appleseed was a Medicaid client. He is available to bill. Open Medicaid claims means that he is available to bill. I'm going to create a Medicaid batch here. He will be the last item on the batch. And there's Johnny Appleseed. We created billing on 4/4 and on 4/18. If you want to view that, you can select View Claim in PDF. This is what the CMS 1500 form would look like. If you're submitting claims electronically, let's refresh the screen. If you're going to submit claims electronically, what you would do is select Download. You notice down here a batch is created in your computer so that when you go to the Advocare free claims site, you'll be able to go and grab this batch and open it into their system for submission. I hope this helps.